Hi guys, today we're gonna do Tigerlilly's favourite thing, and who's gonna jump up to this. Tigerlilly, ready? Ready? Whoa! Come on, Tigerlilly.
Tell the audience what you're going to do next to make a jump.
So next we're gonna do her favourite thing. This.
What's
Tigerlilly, Lily, ready? Whoosh, 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 boom. And that's how you make it go. When? And that's how you make it grow. Like this. No, we're not playing with that.
They just run on. They run on pitch.
They're her least favourite. And there's on 21, and I'm like, oh, no.
I can't help it, run on pitch.
Stop, I don't like it. I actually don't, it's actually annoying. And then he's like, ooh, stop. Ooh, did you see that? And that's on 21.
And then look at White, the strength to hold off Sanderson, the presence of mind to know Broadhead was steaming forwards. A wonderful.
Now we have to wait for this one. Get ready, Tigerlilly.
Don't just video too long the video, people will not watch it. Last one this, you gotta jump really high this time, Lily. Tell her. You gotta talk to her. Swirl it, and then jump it up. Tell her.
Ready? Twirl it, jump it up.
The grand finale. Go!
Jump, 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 jump.
She's not on camera. Come back a bit, go back a bit. She's not on camera.
And
Darcie, she's not on film. You have to go back a bit.
He's 4 years old, so 4 weeks. So that's why we're being careful with her.
And you finish by giving her a kiss or a hug every time to see she's being good. She must have a treat because she's done well.
I'm just on 21, and I'm just like
Right, stop it now. I'll put it on YouTube. Well done, YouTube. Say bye to YouTube viewers. That's it. Give her a hug. Bye, everyone. Bye.
oh,